Hi. So in this screencast, I'll be demonstrating the deployment process for the onboarding bot. So we were required to use some configuration management tools and fully provision and configure a remote environment for our bot. So in the first step, I'll show you the digital ocean droplet which I'm going to provision for the bot. So we have created a script to provision the instance on DigitalOcean. So I'll just run that script and using REST API calls, we are provisioning the droplet on DigitalOcean. So we'll just wait for some time. So you can see that the droplet is now created. In the second part, what we have done is to, in order to deploy the application onto this droplet, we have used Ansible. So what Ansible will do is that it will SSH onto this remote droplet which we have created, and it will install all the softwares which are required for our bot to run, and it will also start the bot using forever. So I'll just run that playbook. So you can see that the playbook has started running. So it will take some time for this playbook to run. So till the time, I'll just walk you through all the steps that we are going to perform in this playbook. So in the first step, what we are doing is that we are installing Node.js and the Node package manager. In the second step, we install Forever, which is used to run our bot. Then after this, we need to install all the dependencies for our bot. So our bot needs to be able to run Ansible, since it's required for two of our use cases. So then we install the prerequisites for Ansible. We install Ansible itself and just add some configuration files which are required for Ansible. Then what I do is that I copy my SSH keys to the droplet, so that the remote server is able to create more instances, as that is also one of our use cases, and also it is able to SSH onto the database server. Then we install MongoDB, which contains which is the database which we have used. We clone the repository for the onboarding bot. We import the Mongo database. Then next we install all the node packages, set up the environment variables which have all our API keys, and then finally we start the server using Forever. So these are all the steps which we are running for configuration management. So this will actually take some time to run, so I'll just pause the video and I'll resume it once the steps have been completed. So as you can see now that all the steps which are required to configure the bot have completed successfully. We can also see over here that the bot is running currently, and I'll just SSH onto the server and demonstrate that as well. So we are running the bot using forever. So you can see here that the bot is running log as well. And also I'm able to interact with the bot. So in the next part of the video, we'll show you the 3 functioning use cases.